Hi future millionaires, you're back with Debt to Millionaire Daily. I'm John, and today I want to show you around one of my serviced apartments. This is one of the two properties that I currently have in my serviced accommodation business. We don't own the property, we rent it from a landlord on a special type of management contract that allows us to use it for short lets. That means that we can have guests in for short stays who are willing to pay a premium on a nightly basis. That gives us enough money to pay the landlord their rent, our cleaners money to clean it and take care of it for us, also the utility bills, everything else, and make a profit on top of that. We're going to start the tour in the open plan living room. So we've got a sofa. That sofa arm is actually currently broken. We need to replace the whole sofa. I'm thinking to get a cheap one, possibly off Facebook marketplaces. And we've got some art here. Open plan dining area onto the kitchen, which has plenty of appliances and utensils, everything you would need for a stay from one night up to a few months. Got a nice decorative fireplace, modern decorations, cool IKEA chair, large Philips TV with Netflix subscription, which we include for guests. This apartment has a balcony and a great view of Manchester city centre. And then we'll head into the hallway. It's the main entrance. We keep signs on the door showing people what to do when they're checking out. Check that they haven't left anything, and other information they might need, like what to do with the bins, how to lock the door, because surprisingly a lot of people struggle to lock this type of door. You just have to lift the handle up first before you turn the key. Got to put the Wi-Fi information, and not to hang anything on the radiators because people damage them. People hang their wet clothes on there, even though there's a tumble dryer and a clothes rack. This is bedroom number 1. We supply water bottles for guests. They cost about 7 pence each from Costco, but guests really like that. I'm particularly pleased with how the decoration in here turned out. My girlfriend actually does all the interior design for this business for free, thankfully. I won't be much good at doing it myself. Then we've got mirrored wardrobes over here, which make the room look twice as big. Coat and shoe rack here in the hallway. Master bathroom. Then this is the main bedroom, bedroom number 2, which is a bit bigger than the last one. Got this nice chrome looking lamp to fill out this awkward corner angle space, and it leads into an ensuite bathroom with another shower and toilet. So 2 bathrooms in the apartment, 2 showers, 2 toilets. One of the toilets was actually blocked recently and it was an absolute nightmare to unblock. I had to come over about 4 different times. Now that I've given you a tour of the apartment, I'm going to show you something that we do to make the business a bit more systemized. In this utility cupboard with the water tank and the washing machine, I installed this locker. It's just freestanding. I put these in all our apartments, and it acts as a place to store our stock, which we take out of the main storage unit. Just means that we don't have to bring new stock out every single time there's a guest changeover. We can keep a few months of stock in here, and the cleaner just takes it out of here. They get the keys from this lockbox, and it unlocks the locker here. This is how the locker looks on the inside. It's looking a little bit messy at the moment, but it's kind of hard to stack these blue trays. They're not entirely plastic, they're not entirely cardboard. They're some kind of blend, but it keeps them sturdy, but still relatively cheap to buy. So we keep everything from sponges, toilet roll, bin bags, coffee, tea, spare blankets, shampoo, conditioner, the water bottles. We just keep a good amount of stock of everything in here. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tour of one of my serviced apartments. Let me know if you'd like to see more content like this of me out and about doing business stuff rather than just me at home talking to the camera. And with all of that said, thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Check out the blog Debt2Millionaire.com. I'm also on social media at Debt2Millionaire, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.